understanding the phrase, tiny tot. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, tiny tot. You might have heard it in different contexts. And today we are going to break it down and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. Tiny tot is a charming and affectionate phrase that is commonly used to refer to a small child, typically around the age of a toddler. The word, tiny, here means very small in size, and tot is a colloquial term for a small child. When combined, tiny tot conveys a sense of endearment towards a young child, often highlighting their small size and adorable nature. To help you better understand how to use tiny tot in a sentence, let's go through a few examples. 1. Look at that tiny tot playing in the sandbox. She's so adorable. 2. Here, tiny tot is used to describe a small child playing, emphasizing her cuteness and small size. 3. My nephew is a tiny tot. He just turned 2 last month. 4. In this sentence, tiny tot is used to talk about the speaker's young nephew, highlighting his young age. 5. The daycare is full of tiny tots running around and having fun. 6. Here, tiny tots refers to a group of small children, emphasizing their energy and playfulness. It's important to note that tiny tot is a casual and informal phrase. It's perfect for friendly conversations, especially when talking about young children in a loving or affectionate manner. However, it might not be suitable for formal or serious discussions. And that's a wrap on tiny tot. We hope this video has helped you understand this delightful phrase and how you can use it in your daily conversations to refer to small, adorable children. Remember, language is a beautiful way to express affection, and tiny tot is just one of the many phrases you can use to do that. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.